Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gebra. I have prepared you a full free PDF worksheet from beginner to advanced lesson. Subscribe to download this by the link in the description below. Passive and active voice በአማርኛ አድራጊና ተደራጊ ብለን እንተረጉሙ። Passive forms in interrogative or questions in all tenses. If we change this passive voice to interrogative, they become interrogative passives. Example 1. Simple present. Injera is eaten. Affirmative passive. Is injera eaten? Injera ይበላል ወይ? Interrogative passive. Present continuous. Injera is being eaten. Is injera being eaten? Injera እየተበላ ነው. Present perfect. Injera has been eaten. Has injera been eaten? Injera ተበልቷል ወይ? Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous is not common in passive voice. Simple past. Injera was eaten. Was injera eaten? Injera ተበላ ወይ ማለት ነው. Past continuous. Injera was being eaten. Was injera being eaten? Past perfect. Injera had been eaten. Had injera been eaten? Injera ተበልቶ ነበር. Past perfect continuous is not common in passive voice. Simple future. Injera will be eaten. Will injera be eaten? Injera ይበላል ወይ? Future continuous is not common in passive voice. Future perfect. Injera will have been eaten ማለት እንችላለን። ብዙ ግን ሰው አይጠቀምበትም። Will injera have been eaten? እንጀራ የሚበላ ይሆናል። Future perfect continuous. It is not common in passive voice. Present conditional. እንጀራ would be eaten. Would እንጀራ be eaten? እንጀራ ሊበላ ነበር። Perfect conditional. እንጀራ would have been eaten. Would እንጀራ have been eaten? እንጀራ በተበላ ነበር. Note 1. This is simply yes or no questions. Example, Hagos eats እንጀራ. Affirmative, active. Does Hagos eat እንጀራ? Interrogative, active. Is እንጀራ eaten? Interrogative, passive. 2. Hagos is eating እንጀራ. Affirmative, active. Is Hagos eating እንጀራ? Interrogative, active. Is እንጀራ being eaten? Interrogative, passive. Most of the time, in the above form is given in exams and other questions. So, you should notice this form. Passive voice in WH questions. በቀጣይ ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። ቸር ሰንብቱልኝ።